I'm going to be showing how to wrap a Bronco door handle. This is one of the easier door handles to wrap. Need some knifeless tape, tucking tool, squeegee, and a knife. Cleaning this door handle off really good. Once you've got your handle clean, we're going to do this in 3 pieces. I'm going to put a seam here, a seam here, and then do this top piece as a cap. And that's just going to ensure longevity and make sure that this thing is not going to finger or roll back in the future. If you are new to knifeless tape, you can view our video library. I've done a video on how to use knifeless tape. I'm basically just going to put this on the middle of the body line with enough overhang here that when I go to put my cap on, it's going to seal and lock this edge in. I kind of use the light reflection as a reference on how to get a nice clean straight line on this. We're going to take our first piece and do this cap here now. I'm just going to start by locking in the center of the handle. I'm going to introduce not a lot, just enough heat to make this more pliable. We'll get a little bit of stretch out of it. And as I'm stretching in a triangle motion, pulling out towards the handle and out both. And the purpose of that is I want to shrink this vinyl around this edge here on my knifeless tape. So if I shrink it back onto that edge, it's not going to want to roll back, whereas if I stretched it over the edge and put too much tension on it, it'll cause fingering on this corner. So you want this just past the knifeless tape, but you want it to be nice and smooth. Repeat that same process on the other side. Run my knifeless down with my finger. No reveal, nice and tucked in there, nice and tight. I'm going to do a similar motion here. Once you've got one cap of this handle done, we're going to do the exact same thing here. And I've got both side caps done. I'm going to lay knifeless tape here and here and start laying this face. Now you've got the face wrapped, we'll start by pulling knifeless on each side. Now that we've got our knifeless tape pulled, I'm going to cut our unlock button out and get this thing back installed on the Bronco. Now that we've got this all cut out and cut in, this is how you properly wrap a Bronco door handle. Don't forget the most important step, post heat it. Just like that. We're done.
Put back on the car. 4 wrapped door handles.
No paint reveal. They're gonna hold. Can't see the seams. They look perfect.